Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the upscaling method on Dune Awakening. To do it, go to the settings, then go to graphics, and now go to the upscaling method, and you can change it to TAA, TSR, DLSS, and FSR. So yeah, these are the methods. And you might have different ones if you have a different GPU. I'm not really sure if it's like something that on different GPUs will be different. Most probably yes. And that's basically it for this video. Remember to apply the change clicking on enter key, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.